Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to add leads from LinkedIn lead ads to Airtable. So I'm running some LinkedIn ads for my business, and here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically that lead detail should be added in my Airtable as a new record. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my LinkedIn account with my Airtable account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see my Airtable account, and here you can see my LinkedIn ads campaign manager where I'm drafted a test campaign and I'm running a test lead form. So basically here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically I want to add that lead detail in my Airtable as a new record. So now here to automate the entire process, I will connect my LinkedIn account with my Airtable account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, we are going to search for pabbly.com/connect in our browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'll be clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect by clicking on this axis now. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Then here's asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box is appeared in front of us. So it is asking us to give the name to our workflow. So I'm going to give the name as add leads from LinkedIn lead ads to Airtable, and then it's asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of the dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So I'm going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you all know that I'm receiving new leads through LinkedIn ads. So I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn and my app event as lead notification. Then I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your LinkedIn account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So now here it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my LinkedIn account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your LinkedIn account in the same browser, or else it is going to ask for your account details such as username and the password of your LinkedIn account. And once you're going to add the details, then automatically your account is going to get connected with Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward, and then it's asking for the sponsored account. So now here to get the sponsored account name, let me take you back to my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager account. So this is my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager account, and here you can see the account that I'm using with the name Pabbly's Ad account. So I'm going to select that from this drop down menu, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our LinkedIn lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager account. So this is my account, and here I've drafted a test campaign under which I've created a test lead form with the name Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open it, and then here I'm going to click on this apply now. And then here's asking me to enter the email address and the phone number, whereas the first name, last name and the company name are the static fields. That means these are the fixed fields and we cannot enter these values. So the reason behind this is that this is a test lead form that I'm using, but if you're running a live lead form, then automatically your lead will be able to add all these details. So I'm going to make a test submission using this test lead form. So I'm going to enter the email address as test@pabblytools.com, and here I'm going to add a random phone number. Alright, so I've successfully added the email address and the phone number, and now I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see it says information sent to Pabbly. So let's go and check out Pabbly's workflow, and here we need to wait for some seconds to receive a response. And here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received the email address, phone number, first name, last name, company name, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically I want to add that lead detail in my Airtable as a new record. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Airtable and my app event as create a record. Then I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Airtable account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Airtable. And here Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So firstly, I'm going to add all the resources, and then I'm going to click on this grant access and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So again, it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Airtable account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Airtable account in the same browser, or else it is going to ask for the account details first. Alright, let's move forward, and then it is asking for the base name and the table name. So I've already shown you that I have my base with the name LinkedIn lead. So I'm going to select that particular base over here. So this is my base, and then here for the table name, I'm going to select table 1, and then here's asking for the phone number, name, email, and the company name. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my table. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when I'm going to receive a new lead through our LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the phone number, I'm going to map the phone number. Here for the name, I'm going to map the first name first, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Here for the email address, I'm going to map the email address, and lastly I'm going to map the company name. So this is the company name. Then here's asking enable the typecasting. So for that, I'm going to select false, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new record in our Airtable. And here you can see we have successfully received a new record over here where we have received the phone number, name, email, and the company name. So with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as LinkedIn and our action as Airtable, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through our LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically that lead details will be updated in our Airtable as a new record. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add leads from LinkedIn lead ads to Airtable. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.